What are you selling here?
Huh?
What are you selling here?
I speak English, no?
Oh, okay, not speak English, okay. But I see some seafood here.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice seafood, yeah. Dry seafood, huh? Okay. Hello guys and welcome to Jomtien Beach Road. I just want to take you for a walk on the beach road here. It's about noon now, so it's the middle of the day. And let's take a look at what's on Jomtien Beach Road. You have the small shops here on Jomtien Beach Road, and you can have everything here: fish, seafood, chicken, squid, fruit, whatever. And it's all homemade in the small shops. Seafood, here nice seafood and chicken. And of course we have a car with a speaker on, making commercial for what they sell. And they are everywhere, you know. It seems like normal times here. See, you have the seafood down here. And we are, as I told you before, on Jomtien Beach Road. I will try to move further on instead of listening to that speaker. Oh my God. If you know how it is and if you have been to Jomtien before, you know how it looks when it looks, you know, like high season, low season. Actually, I think it's like normal times here, but of course we don't have so many tourists here in Thailand at the moment. But we can do what we can if we make a YouTube video to show you guys how it looks in Thailand right now. And you see it looks actually pretty busy here in Jomtien. I cannot see any difference from before the situation the last 2 years. Of course I can see some shops that is closed, but you can buy a cactus here. And of course there is many shops and places that are, you know, have changed ownership. But when I walk in Jomtien here, it's almost look the same as before. Almost. Of course there's not so many tourists as I told you before. Of course there is some shops that are closed, but I think, you know, life goes on in Jomtien, and I feel pretty confident about the situation here, because of course we have to come out to Thailand again. It's not all restaurants that are busy, but you know, the streets are busy, and we have to come out here again now because the Thais need our help. I actually don't see that many beggars, you know, like in the middle of the situation we just almost passed here in Thailand and the rest of the world. But you know, the taxis are getting cheaper. Some food has the same prices. Some food are more expensive than before, but I think that is the same all over the world, you know. Prices go up, and as I told you before in a previous video, for example, if you want to go with the bed bus, if you've been to Jomtien or Pattaya, you know what the bed bus is. It's a car that comes here like this one. It still costs 10 baht to go with, you know. So that price is not up, but when I take a bed bus, I give them 20 baht because, you know, the poor Thai people, they need the money now, and we have to help them. It means nothing to me if I have to pay 20 baht instead of 10 baht. But if you don't give them and don't say keep the change, they charge you 10 baht for going with the bed bus like this one. So I think the transportation in at least in Jomtien and Pattaya is it's getting cheaper. Yeah, I just small talk about the situation right now and about this place. And if you've been here before, you know where I'm going now, in Jomtien Beach Road. And you see, everything looks normal. Actually, this is a nice time to go here because there's not so many people here of tourism. Of course, there's the expats. The expats will always be here, but the tourism is down. But I like it here now. It's quiet, it's easy, everything is easy. Actually, we have if I want to exchange money from Danish money to Thai money, it's a better exchange rate now than it was 2 years ago when I was in Thailand last time in 2020. So I see many good things about going to Thailand right now. I can walk to the other side of the street here and show you how it looks on the beach.